everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you step by step how you can draw and shade a portrait using only 2 pencils. Always start with a good analysis of the sample image. We can draw our initial guidelines on our reference image to mark the outline of the face and where each facial feature is positioned. Using an HB pencil and a light hand pressure, we can now use these lines as a reference for the position and proportion of each feature and transfer them onto our paper. Take your time and measure as precisely as possible, as this will help us to create a more accurate drawing. Now it's time to add facial features. Use minimum hand pressure and draw each feature one by one while constantly referencing your sample picture. Pay close attention to the position and proportion of each feature in relation to your guidelines. Try to take your time and implement even the smallest details and textures. Once you have sketched each feature, you can start adding darker line values using a 6B pencil along with a more firm hand pressure. By strengthening our lines, we are adding definition and contrast to our work. This stage of the drawing is also where we can begin to define our very dark shadows and our bright highlights. Once our facial features have been drawn in the correct position and at the correct size, we can then begin to shade. It is very important that we pay close attention to our reference image. Notice how the intensity of each shadow changes and forms to create texture and shape. This will help to add contrast and depth to your drawing. Next, we will start to add some of the finer details that will really make our work stand out. When detailing, it is important to keep a sharp pencil throughout. This will keep our lines precise and consistent. Again, we will be regularly checking our sample image to ensure our details are correctly positioned. And last but not least, we are going to tidy our artwork by removing any leftover sketch lines or smudges with an eraser. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing. See you in the next video!